In this video, I will show you how to duplicate theme in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Storefront, and from the drop-down menu, select Themes. This is where you can manage and customize the look of your store. On the Themes page, click Advanced. A small drop-down will appear. Select Make a Copy. A pop-up window will open asking you to name your theme copy. Enter a name that clearly identifies it, especially if you plan to create multiple versions. Once you're ready, click Save a Copy. Scroll down the Themes page, and you'll see your duplicate theme listed under My Themes. It will show a processing status for a short time, and once it's complete, you can open it and start customizing without affecting your live site. Duplicating your theme is a safe way to experiment with design changes. It keeps your original theme intact, so you always have a clean fallback if anything goes wrong. And that's how to duplicate theme in BigCommerce.